Hello mga kagala, we are here at Pasig Rainforest Park. Pasig Rainforest Park is a popular public park located in Pasig City, Metro Manila, Philippines. It's a great place for both locals and tourists to relax and enjoy nature. The park features lush greenery, walking trails, and various recreational facilities. One of the main attractions is its large swimming pool, which is perfect for families and people looking to cool off on hot days. The park is designed to simulate a rainforest with a variety of trees and plants, providing a peaceful atmosphere in the middle of a bustling city.
Bakit kami? Bakit iiwan mo kami?
Ha? Magliligo siya. Mapapagod kayo maglalakad.
Hindi. Ititigil na lang yung mga dinosaur.
There are various recreational facilities, including sports fields, playgrounds for children, and a jogging path for fitness enthusiasts.
Explain ka. Pwede. Babalik ka na. Dito namin kayo babalikan. Doon yung mata.
Ayun nga.
Sabihin mo sa ano pa, family.
Pasig Rainforest Park is not just a place for leisure, but also an effort by the local government to provide green spaces within an urban setting. The park also hosts educational and cultural programs that promote environmental awareness and local heritage. Whether you're into outdoor activities or just want to relax surrounded by nature, the park offers a serene environment to unwind. And that ends our adventure for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe.